Today we are talking about more review for the ACT. In particular, we're going to be looking at angles and then also some things about circles. So I'm only going to do a handful of these on this side and a couple on the next side. Our job is to find the missing angle and then also give a reason why we answered as we did. So hopefully this will feel like a nice review for you. Otherwise, you're learning some new things here today. So first off, whenever we have a straight line, two angles that make up a straight line are called supplementary angles. So these two angles are supplementary to each other, and they add up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 140, that means letter B is 40 degrees. All right, we're going to look at number 13. When angles are, I call it across from each other, that's called vertical. And vertical angles have the same measure. So letter E is 37 degrees. Number 14, all of these angles are forming a circle. Circles add up to 360 degrees. So we need 360 minus all of these guys that are here. 74 plus 136 plus the 97. So if we do that real quick, 360 minus 74 minus 136 minus 97 turns out to be 53 degrees. All right, triangles. So these three here are forming a triangle, and triangles also add up to 180. So we're going to go 180 minus 52 minus 86. And that one gets us 42 degrees also for a letter E. Okay, down here, number 26, we have a combination of things going on here. First of all, these little marks here means that these two sides are equivalent to each other, which then also means that these two triangles are equivalent to each other. So all of these add up to 180. I want to minus the 34 and then take that and divide it by 2. So if I divide that by 2, we get 73. So that means W is 73 and X is 73. Okay. These two right here, W and X, are supplementary again, so they add up to 180. So 180 minus 73 is 107. So letter Z is 107. And then finally, Y here is vertical from X, or you could also say it's supplementary to Z. In either case, it will come out to be 73 as well. So lots of 73s in that problem. All right, on the back side, we have circles going on, and our job is to figure out these various measurements that they want. So the first one is XNM, XNM. So they want us to find this right here. Whenever you have an angle that is going the distance, that's what I call it, from one side of the triangle all the way to the other, this arc right here, this is an arc, is twice the angle. So this is going to be 40 degrees because the arc is twice the distance of the angle measure. So XNM is 40. And that is only when they go all the way across. So this one over here is not going all the way across, and we'll explain what this one is. So he's not going to be 1/2 of that. He's going to actually be that. When they go all the way across, it is half the degrees. They want us to now find the measure of XN. This is arc. This stands for angle. So this is arc XN. That's half of the circle. So this part's 80. This whole thing here is going to be 180, half of a circle, and N then will be 100. Okay, letter number 2. AB is tangent. Tangent means that this is forming a 90, and I can draw a radius in here, that this is forming 90 degrees. So if that's 60, this little sliver right here is 30, because these two make a 90. 90 with tangent means it's like perpendicular to the radii at this circle here, radius at that circle. As mentioned before, if the angle is coming out of the center, it's the same measure as the arc. So this one's 120 degrees. Letter Y is, so we got the same thing going on here. So this goes like this. It's like a mirror of itself. So here's 60 there and 30 there. So letter Y is 60. And letter Z, well, I have 3 of these. So 360 broken into thirds, that's another 120. That's it for today's skill building. Thank you.